about tax compliance. Talking about tax compliance. So NetSuite offers localized tax engine. So for countries like UAE, KSA, UK, Germany, all the countries. And this is by installing a bundle called international tax. So this bundle, international tax, it supports the VAT, the GST, sales tax, and supplementary tax. When I talk about supplementary tax, is another bundle that do the reverse charge, like the UAE, KSA, the Middle East use the reverse charge. And in the in European countries as well, but they called it intra-community tax. Then we have the withholding tax as well, which is on NetSuite by just installing bundles. So what do we benefit out of these bundles when we install them on NetSuite environment? So one of the benefits is that you don't have to create tax code. You don't have to do the setup. For each country, once you install it, all the tax code will come. And you will have the reporting of the tax as well, which I will show you later on during the demo. And you will have real-time tax calculation. You don't have to, like in UAE, 5% of the amount to calculate the tax. The tax code are automated. Now, I know most of us using NetSuite are using the native tax, but there's also the newer tax SuiteTax engine. I believe NetSuite will slowly deploy it, and everyone will have to migrate to SuiteTax. What is SuiteTax? This one is more scalable and friendly. You don't like in the native way on a transaction, like on an invoice, on a purchase order. Usually, you have the tax code appearing. And it depends on the item or on the customer, on the vendor, that it will populate the tax code on the transaction. But when you migrate to SuiteTax, this is more linked to the address, and it will populate it. You won't see the tax code on the transaction. And it's more friendly and it's more automated. So it takes care of all the supplementary withholding and everything. So some countries, I mentioned Spain localization needs SuiteTax. Some countries are imposing, so that in order to have this Spain localization, you need to have SuiteTax. One of our customers, they used to have legal tax before, and they used to have many subsidiaries when they rolled out in Spain. So we did the migration from legacy tax to SuiteTax because of this localization, and all other localization continue to operate on this SuiteTax environment.